Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing the woodwork show, and guess who's back? This guy. Alright, so here's I'm just going to explain the rules to you. So it's going to be the woodwork challenge, so left post, crossbar, right post. Three tries for each. If you don't get it, tough luck. Okay, start. Ready? Go. Go. Huh, nice try. You can hear those birds squawking. You're probably thinking, what are those? They're actually James Rodriguez's shoes. Hamas Rodriguez. Same thing. Bloody Mary. Shut up. Oh. Did you make it? Yes, I did. Here you go. Now it's Saho's turn. Sasa. He's wearing his 2015-16 jersey. I'm wearing my 2014-15.
It's my jersey, by the way.
Yeah, I'm wearing it though. Under this with a nice
left post first.
Yeah, left post.
Oh my god.
1,000 miles from the earth. Here we go. Oh my god. I'm probably way better than him. I gotta get this.
Oh god dang it.
And now it's my turn to do the crossbar. Now he's losing 1 point and I'm winning. Come on, sprint it out. Ethan, cheer for me, man. We gotta win this. I mean, gents and women. If that makes any sense.
I go first for crossbar?
No, I'll go first.
Okay.
What's that?
Go back. Hand or something. Go back.
Someone probably died. No biggie. No, I'm kidding. Huge biggie. Go. You should have done that last time.
Ready? Three.
Uh-huh. Nice shot.
You have to do it from this spot, okay, Sasa?
Okay.
You have to get this. Yes!
No!
Yes!
My God. Oh, dang, it's raining. Who cares if it's raining? We do this. It's raining, but who cares? It's barely raining.
Yeah, man.
All right, here you go. My turn. Crossbar. See that last shot? That's what you call a shot. Come on, sprint! Here he comes now. The second shot of the day. If he can get this, he might have a great chance of winning, but I probably will win because I'm the best. When he thinks you're Ronaldo. Oh! El Gordo!
Really? Light years ahead.
Oh, go ahead. Yes! Let's go. That was close.
I'm probably just gonna be lucky today. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the shirt.
Last try.
If I don't get this one and you get it, that means you tied me.
Yeah.
But if I get it,
And if he gets it, he basically wins. Yes, let's
no
go.
chance.
I still got a chance to tie. I still got a chance to tie.
The first one was probably the best one. It was this close. Just rolled around here with this.
Here you go. Stop raining. Oh, frick. Alright, so, ready? Yeah, let's go. La, 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 la. Yes. Yes. Missed that one. See if you can get the next one. There you go. I'll try the Ravana. La, 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 la. If you get this, I'm gonna start crying. No! 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 Thank you for. What a game. Thank you for watching our Woodwork challenge. Hope to see you again. Yep. Goodbye.